Hello everyone. In this video, self-assessment term 1 model paper 2025-26 class 10th subject social studies question paper with answer discuss this question paper. Download to Telegram link on description. Follow the link, like and share and subscribe to channel. Let's start the paper. Which of the following statement is are correct? P. The alluvial soil consists of various proportional of sand, silt and clay. Q. Black soil are well known for their capacity to hold moisture. R. Red soil develop reddish color due to diffusion of iron in crystalline and metamorphic rock. P only, Q only, P and R, all of the above. Which one answer? Answer is the option 2. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 2. Observe the table. Answer the correct question. First one, the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972, Joint Forest Management 1990, Joint for Forest Management 1990. Name any two multi-purpose project. Answer is a Bhagna Nangal project, Hirakund project, Nagarjun Sagar project, and etc. Question number 4. Observe the picture, answer the question. Which country this picture related to? Italy, Germany, France, Holland. Which one is the correct answer? Correct answer, France. France is the correct answer of the fourth question. Question number 5. Arrange this moment in chronological order. Non-cooperation moment, Champaran moment, or civil disobedience moment. A. PQR, B. RQP, C. QPR, D. QRP. Which one is the correct answer? Option C, QPR is the right answer. Question number 7. Observe the map and answer the following question. Identify the country of the picture. Madagascar, Belgium, Sri Lanka, England. What is the answer? Answer is the Belgium. Option B is the right answer. Question number 7. IMR. In fact, mortality rate. This is the answer number 7. Question number 8. Banking, currency, union list, police, agriculture, dash. What is the answer of the 8th question? Banking, currency, union list, police, agriculture, state list. Answer is a state list is the answer. Question number 9. Arrange the following country west to east: Japan, China, France, USA. What is the order? First one is the USA, France, next one is China, fourth one is the Japan. Question number 10. How many seats are reserved for women in local bodies, panchayats and municipal corporation? 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. Answer is a 1 by 3. What do you mean by gross domestic product? Gross domestic product short form is GDP, is the total monetary value of final goods and service produced within the country border during a specific period of the time. Question number 12. Find odd one out. trade, transport, banking, dairy. What is the answer? Answer is a dairy. Dairy is a primary sector activity, other is a tertiary type of the activity. Now the next section 2. Answer all the question. Each question carries 2 marks. Question number 13. What kind of impact does exploitation of resources has on the present environment? Question number 14. Read the paragraph and answer the following question. In 1928, Vallabhbhai Patel led the peasant movement in Bardoli, a taluka in Gujarat, against enhancement of land revenue known as the Bardoli Satyagraha. This movement was success under the able leadership of Vallabhbhai Patel. The struggle was widely publicized and generated immense sympathy in many parts of India. Who is the leader of Barloli Satyagraha movement? What is the answer? Vallabhbhai Patel. Answer is a Vallabhbhai Patel is the answer of the question. Now the next, what is the reason Bardoli peasant movement? The movement was protest against the enhancement and the land revenue. Where is the answer? Answer is a enhancement of land revenue. This is the answer of the second question. Next, write any 2-point importance of water resources. Observe the map and answer the following question. Name the country in this map. Question number 16th one. First one answer is a Sri Lanka. Answer is a Sri Lanka. Write the names of two cities in the map. Colombo and Kandy. Colombo and Kandy. This is the answer. Any two suggestions for the increase of groundwater level in India? Question number 18. What are the difference between organized sector and unorganized sector? Observe the given picture, graph and answer the question. Question number 19. What does the given picture tell us? It shows the population percentage in the different religious community in India according to the 2011 census. 2011 census. Write the names of two religions in India. Hinduism, Islam. Other is a minority of Christian. This is the answer of the 19th question. Question number 20. Observe the map and answer the following question. This is a map. In which continent Germany is located? Answer is a Europe. Answer is Europe. Which empire was located east of Germany? The Russian Empire. The Russian Empire is the answer of the second question. And this one is a 8 marks question. What are the advantage of multi-purpose river project? Question number 22. At present, what are the problem faced by agriculture sector in India? Question number 23. Briefly trace the process of German unification. What are the main difference between federal form of government and a unitary ones? Question number 25. What is meant by the Bretton Woods Agreement. Question number 26. Observe the paragraph and answer the following question. Question number 26 of the first question. In which state Sundarban National Park located? Answer is the West Bengal. West Bengal. What is the main objective Project Tiger? To save the endangered tiger species, preserve the biotypes, natural habitat. Save tiger. Save tiger. Now the next question. Mention the various energy resources used people in India at the present. What type of energy resources could be available in the next 50 years? Question number 28. What are the different form of power sharing in modern democracies? Give an example of each of these. And the 8 marks question. What cause of soil erosion? Question number B on 29th. How have technical and economic development lead to more consumption of resources? Question number 30. Read the paragraph and comment. And the B. Comment on union list, state lists and concurrent list. 31st. A. Observe the graph. The following question. Which was the largest production sector in 1973 to 1974? Primary sector. Which is the largest production sector in 2013 to 14? Tertiary sector. Tertiary sector. Can you say which sector grow most over 40 years? The tertiary sector. What was the GDP of India 2013-14? 55 lakh crore. 55 lakh crore is the answer of the fourth question. Now the next question. Observe the table and answer the following question. Question number 32A. What is the civil disobedience movement? Write its importance. And the internal of the question. Locate the following in the given outline map of India: Lakshadweep, Krishna River, Bay of Bengal, Rajasthan, Amravati, Karnataka, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. And the world map: India, Mediterranean Sea, Belgium, Sri Lanka, USA, France, South Africa, Israel. Now to the this is the answer of all question. Which of the following statement are correct? All of the above. Observe the table and correct answer. 1988. The forest policy of 1988 recommended by the JFM program, which was formalized with a circular in 1919. Two multiple purpose project: Bhangra Nangal project, Hirakund project, Damodar Valley project, Nagarjun Sagar project. Observe the picture and answer the question. Answer is France. Next is a PQPR is the correct chronological order. Observe the map and answer the question. Belgium. IMR, in fact, mortality rate is a state list. Ninth is the USA, France, China, Japan. Question number 10. 1/3. Question number 11 is the gross domestic product. GDP is the total monetary value of all final goods and produce and produce with a country border during a specific period of the time. This one is the 13th question. This is a 4 marks question. What are the advantage of multi-purpose river project? What is the answer? The advantage including generation of hydroelectric power, water for irrigation, flood control, water supply for domestic industrial use, inland navigation, peace breeding, recreation. What are the main difference between federal form of government and unitary ones? Federal government power is a divided. A central government and state religion government. India, USA both level have their own constitutionally defined power. Unitary government, all power held in a single central government. France, UK, any religion, local government only have a power delegated to them by center. This one is a question number 26, graph analytical question. Question number 27. Question number 28. Question number 29. This one is the internal of the question. And the graph reading and comment paragraph of the federalism. And this one is a 30B. 31st is a graph answer question GDP by the sector and the internal BIMI table. This is the answer. And the map pointing, do the work of the student task map pointing. Thanks to watch, like and share and subscribe to channel. This PDF download to the Telegram and subscribe the Manish Sir YouTube channel. Thank you.